What's up, game traders? Coming in late here. I was buying a new couch with my girlfriend. All right, so what do we got here? Iowa has the momentum, 46-46. We're in a triangle here. I really can't handicap this much. There was a little bit of a negative divergence against these highs right here, so maybe it's going to go to Iowa. The MACD's rolling over here. But most of the game, Illinois was, there was a lot of value in Illinois, and now they did make a comeback. They were down by, I think, 4 or 5 or 6 even at one point. So it's up to this triangle. I don't know. It's bouncing around. It's going to break out one way or the other. And we're getting to decision time at this point. I can't handicap it. Nothing I see here. Let's go put on some more of the games that are on right now. Let's see what's on. Basketball. We got baseball here. Let's see if we see any calls here from Sterling. I'm just still loading up here. Oh, here we go. Let's see what the most recent calls are. Charlotte. Illinois is getting torched. That's an hour ago. Long Illinois about an hour ago. That's a pretty good call. Let's go over to Game Trader, see if I see any patterns showing up here. Baseball still 0-0. This game's over. Oh, it made a call here. What did it say? Long Philly? Oh, okay. How long ago is that? 1 hour ago. Taking a while to load up here. What's the spread? -3.5 right now? Here we go. All right, we're up. All right, what do we got here? We don't have much, folks. There was a little mini divergence here for Illinois, but Illinois is not breaking out, and they really have to now, like right now. All right, looks like a little momentum there, or a little bit of a bottoming structure for Illinois. A little bit right there. You see that? That little. Let me take off the little divergence line. That we don't need that. You see how it's hooking? Maybe Illinois got it right here. Maybe. There was a little divergence there. Let's see. Maybe. They got to score here, get the rebound, or miss the second one and get the rebound, score 3 here. Oh, there, something happened. The line moved up. All right, he got one. All right. We're back to the top of the rail now. Let's see if it can break out. Back and forth, up and down. Come on. Let's go. Breakout. What's the spread at? Oh, -6.5. Oh, they go ahead, 54. I hate looking at DraftKings. Damn. Let's see if we get the breakout, folks. 54, 51. Oh, Illinois scores here. Sorry. You guys are watching only on TV. Our app is ahead of the TV right now. Thank you very much. A lot of work involved to do all this. Let's see if we see anything on the basketball. Oh, 99. Why does it say 2 different? I gotta take a picture of that. There, we're caught up. I bet you there was something cool here. Any divergence here? I'm not sure. Oh, it's getting very oversold. Nothing on spread deviation. Oh, there's the breakout. Look at that breakout we got. Isn't that beautiful? Look at that, folks. Got the breakout. Iowa. Here we go. 56.51. Breaking out. Are we overbought? A little overbought. So what we need here, I don't know if I love this just yet because see how much we broke out, but how overbought we are at the same time, which means, so let's just put this, we're very overbought on the RSI, and see we don't have that much distance here because then it would pull back into here, it can, and then we want it to go like that. But it would have been nicer if the blue line went a little higher here. If we went like up to here, maybe that happens, maybe. Could get a little, that would be good. And then we come down. So let's see if we get the blue line a little higher so that when we come back to test, it can go still to Illinois. And we'll run the Fibonacci's there. Let's just see where we wind up. They'll be sitting there so we can see. So a 50% pullback would be okay. And maybe there's another little trend line here. Oh, now things are starting to pop up. I can see. I can see things now. I can see clearly now the rain is gone. Is it rain is gone? Yeah, that makes sense.
Yeah, you can see clearly now.
Yeah, I like it. All right, this is a great looking chart now. So we have some options. I like the momentum. I told you guys it would go up by, didn't I say like 6, 7, didn't I say 5, 6, 7 points? And they're up by what? 5? Okay. One more maybe, 58, 51. Then a pullback, because Iowa's doing really good. And they look good, quite frankly. Because Illinois look like doofuses out there. All right, we'll be back once the game starts. This is going to be fun. All right, we're back. Let's see if they continue this breakout. Oh, there, it did it. It did the blue. So it did the blue. I'm going to move it over so you guys can see proof of my work. Look at that. Exactly what I said. Now we can get the pullback because now we're even more overbought. So here, I'm going to take this off. We're going to come down on the red. See this red arrow? Can I move it? Yeah. It's going to go to here. And I think Illinois ends up winning the game. I don't know, like if it's like that. Like this. That's the pattern. Now let's put the fibs. 58, 51. I said they'd go up by 7 when there was a breakout. Did you guys hear that? That was calling the future. I said when this triangle breaks out, the team that breaks out is going to go up by 5, 6, 7, 8 points. That's exactly what just happened. Does Barstool tell you this information? No, they do not. Now, this could come back all the way to test all the way down in here. This could get scary, where like Iowa actually like goes, ties it, maybe. I'm calling Iowa coming back like right now. I think Illinois is going to still squeak out this game, but it's going to be crazy. I don't know if they're going to cover. What's the spread now? 8.5? Oh, okay. All right, let's see. Okay, look how overbought we were here on our side. We got to come down. It's coming down. Oh, yeah, look at the MACD. Those divergences work. So, see those little clues we had? And I said this rounding out? Damn, this is fucking good. This is good shit, dude. There's going to be trade desks doing this. There's going to be firms that are going to do this. All right, the line's going up more, which makes sense. I said once you go out of triangle, you should just keep going. So let's see if they keep going here, and that's fine too. I think at any second, though, there's a pullback like that. What do we got? 60 to 52. All right, we're caught up. Our game signal's caught up. Let's put a Fibonacci's. We got a timeout. All right, perfect. Now we can let things settle down, get organized. I'm gonna put this in white, faded out. Oh, look at these charts. God damn, this looks good. Right here would be a perfect test. Imagine it just does this, that's as much as we get on the pullback. Right here to 38, 50%. I'm gonna take the arrows off. We're expecting a pullback, all right? Expecting a pullback. Iowa's gonna make it close. One more time. That's the call. All right, be back in a sec. Did I say Iowa was going to do that? I said Iowa was going to come back. I think they're going to make it closer. Let's see. The signal's not responding yet. It's interesting. Let's see. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. 5 waves up. We get ABC. We're getting ready for a correction to Iowa. There's more to go. All right. If it keeps going Illinois, it makes sense. Triangle, you break out. Usually you just keep going. Okay? I said that to you guys. But this looks like wave 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. It looks like 5 waves up. Here, I'll show you. I can annotate it. So you guys, if you guys are learning, you can check it out. So there's wave 1, there's wave 2, there's wave 3, and this is all of 4, or there was 4. But one more move, and then it goes down. But I'm not saying Illinois is going to lose the game. I'm just saying it's going to be some action towards Iowa. Here we go. There was maybe the 5th up. Let's extend the Fibonacci up a little bit. All right, we got the chart looks amazing. It's there for you guys to see. We got Arizona playing now too, right? Let me go to all the lives. Let's see. Not yet? Oh no, it's not on yet. All right, it's starting any second. No. 5:49. Oh no, half hour. All right, that's cool. Let's put all the live games back up. So we right now have, this basketball game's over. We have another basketball game. We got baseball, college basketball. Oh, and we have, is this game over too? Okay. There was some NBA games, afternoon games today.
Yeah, the Suns are playing.
Yeah. All right, so there's our little toppy tops. You guys see the 1, 2, 3, 4, 5? Now we get the pullback. Let's see if it happens. You guys can watch it live.
This side seems to have a lot of Iowa.
Maybe it's just like sides, how they do
Yeah,
it.
it seems like it because then they go back to the train.
Oh, yeah. Looks pretty even then, right?
Yeah.
Yeah. I wonder if they do that. You think they allocate? That makes sense. Like, what happens if like Iowa were all billionaires and they could buy every seat in the House? Because it's a big deal when you make when you make these things.
Right.
Or do you think they allocate and say we can only have? Well, they don't ask you, I guess, what your team is. So no.
But you can see where which
Yeah, that's true.
sitting on.
Yeah, that's true. Yeah, they usually say that. Oh, rebound. Oh.
Because it looks like they're all behind the team, like on the same side the team's sitting on.
All right, we're getting the pullback, but so far we only got the 23% retracement here, which could be a wave 4. So I'm going to put this here, 3, 4, and that means actually Illinois is going to go ahead again. Let's see. Not oversold, but getting oversold. Yeah. It still can go down. I don't know, but in any case, it's looking good. 6 points. All right, let's see what DraftKings is saying on the spread. 5.5 now they're saying. Five and a half. Do we get a 5th wave up? Just went down. There. This was the 4. All right, so I'm going to take this off. Actually, this is what it looks like now, guys. So we'll take this off. We're coming down, like I said. Let's get rid of the arrow. You know what I think is going to come next. I don't think that I was going to win this. I think it's going to stop right here. And that's above the 50-yard line. You see the 50-yard line here? That means the probability at 50%. So we'll just put that line there, okay? So we're well above that. So I'm saying we pull back in here. It looks like Iowa's going to win, and it still goes up in wave 3. Yeah, we look like this. Let me put it here, and you guys can visually see it, which is awesome. So you learn. if you don't know this shit. There we go. We're turning up from the 38%. Wave 2 could be in. Right here. That could be it. And Illinois runs with it now in a massive wave 3. Like they score again, they score again. If Iowa does not score here and then goes back and Illinois scores, the chart predicted it all. Nope. Oh. Nope. Look at this. What did I say? I'm calling the series. Damn. I just said they would miss. Now I said they're going to score, right? That's what the chart says. The chart says they're going to score. What's that? Foul? So what did I say? And we're going to get some foul shots. I just called the back and forth of 3 possessions, I think it was.
Yeah, you did.
And if I have to make a call, Iowa doesn't score again on the next one after the foul shots. That's my call. That's the way the chart looks. Because I don't know if this is a break test yet. So we're in the triangle. We broke out. We kind of tested it. Could have come down and test one more time in Iowa? Maybe. But it's starting to look really good. Look at the technicals. Look at the RSI here. Look at this. Look at this. This looks like mean. Like I want to go up. And what does this one look like? Yeah, look at MACD crossing beautifully right here. Illinois is going to run with it. It's over, Iowa. You had your chance. That's what the chart says. Let's see if I'm right. And they're up by how much? 8? Oh, oh, sorry if I ruined it for you guys. We're just so advanced. Our platform. All right, be back in a second. We'll see how this finishes off. My call is actually that Iowa doesn't score again, and it goes back to Illinois and they score. That's what the chart says. And we'll see in a few minutes. Let's get back to the action. All right. Oh, look, we're popping our head out for wave 3. RSI looks a little mean. Did they score? No, they didn't score. I did it again. They're going to score. If they don't score here, then, oh, another foul. That's how you do it. That's how you call games. You don't need me on your staff, Portnoy. I mean, give me a break, dude. Are your men calling it like this? No, they are not. There's no way they called it. I did it 4 ways just there. Boom, 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 boom. That's not luck when you do it like that. Sorry. It's called skill. It's called 25-year stock market. Looking at charts for 25 years. And there is predictive power in charts. It's a guarantee. I don't care what people say about it. They might let him score soon. Oh, that was awesome passing. Oh, no, they didn't. Oh, oh wow, what happened? What happened there? Looking good, looking good, looking good. Let's see what these are looking like. How much time is left? 37 seconds. And what do we got here? Oh, wow, look at this. Illinois minus 2.5. Illinois minus 5.5. This looks like we did pretty good. All using the chart. Thank you very much. 2.5, 5.5. Let me get this on the chart. I'm going to save my chart. We can save charts now, which is badass. So we did here, ill. Oh, ill, that's cool. Remember when people used to say ill?
That's so ill.
That's so ill, man. What do you even mean? Ill, like dope? Cool? I know I did this. I did this one early. It wasn't that early. I think it was like over here. Yeah, or here. Yeah, it was here. I did that there. And then I did a better one. Might have been right there. Yeah, I did it right there. Okay? So this is where we do stuff. Okay? Right here. Thought the breakout was happening there. Didn't happen there. Come on. I'm going to have to make this a little better. And then here, what we did right there. And let's see. I don't how much is left? 37 seconds. I'm going to start printing my money bags right here. Money bag, money bag. And did we get wave 3? Come on, burst out, dude. Burst up to my 3. Gotta wait till the game actually ends. Did it end yet? Oh yeah, it just ended. All right. So that was our game, and we made profits of 20 to 36, 20 to 37. Not 100%, but 87 is that? 91? Something like that. Let me calculate that so I can save the chart, because then I can do the video. And then we're gonna watch some Arizona. Looking forward to that. 1666 divided by 20. 83%. Not bad. 83% profit. And a little bit more on this one, not much more. 1739. No, wait. 87% on this other one. I'll take it. So there we go. Up here. Oh, excuse me. Right here. Beautiful chart. Gorgeous. Fantastic. I love it. I'm saving it. Final chart. So I can do my video. Awesome. I don't need it live. Excellent. All right, here we go. What else do we got here? Come on. Baseball. Let's see if anything's. Oh, this is looking kind of interesting. Houston's going to score. Long Houston. Sterling's in there 22 minutes ago. I won 2 baseball bets already.
You did?
No, not today.
No.
Yes, that opening day. I haven't bet again. All right, this looks like, let's see, 1, 2, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 4, 5. This looks like 5. Oh, and it's oversold. I think I like Houston here. Let's see, let's go to baseball. I just want to see who's up next. We don't have that worked into the program yet, but we're bringing it to you guys soon. This game. Oh, there it is. All right, who's up next? Come on, who's up? Batter. Okay, they're up next. All right, I'm gonna get ready on MLB. Let's go to MLB. I want to take Houston to score. Astros. Half inning props. Houston to score plus 260. Definitely putting some in right here. And then I'm gonna see where the batting order is. I can't tell. I wish there was a way to see. If I go to Houston, can't tell. You can can only tell when they get up to bat. No outs. No outs. Oh my God, Angel's gonna get even more runs. All right, that's fine. We'll come back to that. So yeah, anyway, here, let's do more work on this chart. We got a little positive divergence. We're way oversold. So, we got kind of maybe even like a little bit of a wedge, like it's gonna break out, like something like that. And then maybe something like that. So a bounce looks possible. I like this bet here, this one. This is wave 1, wave 2, wave 3. This sideways thing was wave 4, now it's dripping down. So, and they're gonna score right here, so it's gonna tank. They're gonna score at least something here. So here, we're gonna have to fix this. It's gonna go down here. Which is gonna make everything more oversold. So this is gonna go lower. MACD is gonna be low, and look how low this is here. So, does Houston suck? I thought they were amazing. Why are they getting destroyed here? And we got another member here, Sterling, joining in, so I like it too. I like it here. Alright, let's go. We did Iowa. Let me save this game too, since I did the work on the chart. Let's start saving everything. In case, where's Arizona? We didn't start yet. Alright, I'll be back in a few minutes after everything starts, and then we'll check out this baseball game. Let's see what's going on in Sacramento. ABC. Anything interesting on this? Oh man, it was approaching 2 standard deviations right there. That was a good Atlanta. Atlanta's good. All right, I'll be back in a little bit. It's too much. This is too exciting. I mean, NBA, NCAA, baseball. I mean, there's too much going on. See ya. Bye. Yes. I love this. I wasn't even paying attention. I told you, Houston, look at that bet right there, plus 260. 10 paid 36. Sweet. Look at that call. Right there is the A. It's going to go up. Maybe even they're going to score a couple more. It doesn't matter. I won the bet. So you guys see that? That's awesome. One. Putting it in the chat. And I'm going to take a little picture here of this too. I can put it in the chat. I should put it on. Man, these streams are good, dude. Copy. Let's get it in here. And now let's make a little post. Saw the 5 down. Let's get the chart too. Angels. Is it posting? Wait a minute. There we go. And now I want to snippet this win. This is fucking great, dude. Wasn't that a good call, Tiff?
Yeah.
Baseball? I did it again. I'm actually doing good at baseball. Where were they in the batting order?
That would be interesting.
They were at, yes, number 3. And they scored again, 6-3. And it was 6-0 when I made the bet. And it's 6-3 right now.
Wow.
Oh yeah, baby. Baseball, my mind's getting ready. It's getting ready for the baseball. Oh, did I save this bad boy? Oh, can't. Can I save it? Save it. Come on. Oh no. Did I lose it? Ah, all right. I'm out. Let's see if my save charts worked. All live. All. This one. There. It's still there. Let me save this bad boy. Delete. Final. Oh no. Live. Beautiful. You guys see that amazing call? I gotta post this another place. I mean, how can't people see this shit? I'm gonna go over the Astros and post this. Astros. Yeah, let's see if anyone cares over there. No, because these are real fans. They don't care about gambling. 43 seconds. Yep.
Oh, did Arizona start?
It's gonna come on now.
Oh.
Alright, so that was the Astros. Alright. Let's go to my feed and see if anyone's made comments on the Astros game so I can chime in. Oh no. Oh, here we go. Following.
On the what?
Did you order? cool. There's the Illinois cutting down the net. That's cool.
So Illinois won.
Yep.
So then who do they play?
The winner of this.
Oh, and that's when.
Next weekend.
Oh. They play their 2 games tomorrow.
Yeah. Alright, we got everything rocking and rolling here. That was a great day, so I'm having a great day. I almost want to stop. No, we're going to do Arizona. We're doing Arizona. I'll come back when the game starts. So far, so good. So today, just FYI, on our one bets. So we got Houston here, plus 260, 10 paid 36. Here's our chart, so you could see why I thought 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, oversold. I ran the Fibonacci's, let's put it, I had the A there and the B there, and we're heading towards the B. Okay, I put it here in the chart, right here, didn't I? Oh yeah, look it. Before it happened, there's the proof. And then we had this one, where we said we were waiting for that triangle to break out. And once it broke out, it would go in the direction of the team. And that's exactly what happened in this one once it loads up here. Come on, baby. Come on. You can do it. I think I can. I think I can. Oh, come on, man. Come on, baby. I think I had it in the chat. Let's see if we can go look at the chat. So in here, yeah, there's the triangle. See this triangle? And then I start drawing divergences in here. If on the live stream, I have it all. You guys should watch the live stream. We're getting a little, can't go back to this game. That's fine. I'm gonna give this a hard refresh. All live. We got the baseball. Arizona's not in here yet. We're loading it up. All right, we'll be back once the game starts. All right, we got the Arizona game now. Let's see if we see anything. I like the game to trade for a little bit. So we've got, let's see if we got some divergences showing up here. To head towards Purdue, maybe. A little bit of one right there. Yep. Let's see here. I see a little breakout line maybe we can draw. Let's keep that there. Let's see what else we see. Oh, we're very overbought. So it's going to go back towards Purdue here a little bit. Coming down, nothing on spread. What is the spread? 5.5 Arizona. Oh, we're right on spread. Look at that. 7, 5.5, close enough. 1.5 spread zone. All right, let's see here. All right, Arizona's breaking out.
Is that what it was, 1.5?
No, it's 5.5.
Alright. Arizona.
Yeah. Just what I see. I like to draw what I see in case it happens. I see a negative divergence, a little bit of a rising wedge, overbought. Let's just see how this plays out. So I'll come back, I'm saying, by Purdue. And not to win or something, just come back here. Yeah, and they score. We're ahead a little bit by 1 point, 13-19. What do we got here? Let's go look at the spreads. Keep an eye on things. Purdue plus 7.5. All right, let's see. So we're at plus 8.5 now. Oh, 8.5 with this pattern. I'll give it a little more time, but they're gonna take a little bit of action with 8.5. Just a little bit of baby position. Maybe I want a little more. Let's see. We got a couple of touches on these trend lines, so I can give it a little more time in here. Let's see. So, took a starter position. Purdue, PUR. My son went to U of A, but I am not going to bet just like that. So we got 8.5. Okay. So let's jot that down too on the chart. 8 plus 8.5. Purdue 8.5, plus 8.5, plus 8.5. What color is Purdue? Yellow, maybe. Looks good. And we did it right here. Let's make it a little smaller. There we go. Okay. And we're going to see here. Little starter position. Give them a little more time. Arizona's really good. What do we see here? 7.5. So we bought the high so far. That's good. Or the low. I'll be back in a second. That was some call, huh? On Purdue, 8.5. Anyone take that? Let's update the chart on the chat. All right. Look at that. All right, now what do I see? So we had the rising wedge. We're getting very oversold, oversold. It's going to go back to Arizona now. I'm going to keep my 8.5 because obviously Purdue can hang. Oh, we hit it. Yeah, we hit a trend line. I like to draw what I see, so it like doesn't surprise me. That's what I see now. Let's see. And maybe down in here, one more hit down in there. And then we could build a positive divergence. Let's see. We want to see this. Are we hitting new lows yet? Oh, we got the positive divergence, actually. What's Arizona doing right now? -3.5. That's way better than 5. Well, not way better, but it's better than the opening. So you guys paid 5.5. I can get 3.5. Because I waited. Let's just see here. Open bet. Open. Okay. The bearish pattern I see here. This would be crazy if this happens, because then Purdue's gonna like crank right now. Oh no, after a bounce. Put this in here like that. This is like a shoulder. And this, we bounce over here. I'm breaking the trend line a little. See, the green is there, but this head and shoulder, you see it? And then it would mean that we go up. And then we go down like that. All right, let's just see how this develops. If it keeps dropping, it keeps dropping. I guess it keeps dropping. I don't know. See, this is looking good. Like it's going to go back to Arizona. At least short term. Like in the next couple of possessions. There's a little positive divergence. No positive divergence anymore in this, but definitely even more oversold. 1, 2, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Maybe 5 down on the MACD. We're approaching the 1 standard deviation here. We're real close, but we're not there yet. So again, any more than Arizona is going to look attractive to buy. Let's see how it plays out now. I'm going to take these lines off. There we go. All right, let's see. And this was the rising wedge. Let me just get this thin so you can barely see it. There we go. All right, breaking down further. Oh, kind of bounced. So let me draw this. Like this. You could have a head and shoulders like this. I think some of this stuff is more of an art than a science. This is what I see. If that happens, then Purdue is gonna give Arizona a hard time. Let's just see how this chart develops. We could just sit here on auto. Let's see what the divergences. Divergences are strong. We're getting ready for a dot. We're getting ready for a bullseye here. meaning there's value in buying Arizona. All right, so remember we're sitting right here with the 8.5. Right here is when we did that because there was the rising wedge on that negative divergence. We called this comeback by Purdue perfectly with the chart. Now we're going to see if they're going to put the nail in the coffin or not, which would be sick. All right, we're bouncing. We should. I want to put this in red because this is a bad pattern, right? So we'll put this in red so you understand this is not good. We don't want to see this one. If you're a Purdue fan. Five minutes left, 5:36 left. We either have a little falling wedge here, we have a head and shoulders, I'm not sure. So let's let the pattern play out. Breakout here, you know, Arizona's gonna run with it. We lift it off a little. Can go either way still. Got damn close here. Yeah, look at that. We didn't quite, we can still print a bullseye, but that was damn close. That's why I said right here was a good low. Oh, we can put in the pivot points. Let's do that. We have an indicator for that. Check this out. I've been putting it on lately. I think I want to just make them a little smaller because they're big. Yeah, these dots. I think I just want to make them a little smaller. But, so the momentum, getting ready to break out of this wedge. You guys see it? This is where we're going to either fail for the shoulder or we're going to break out. This is a big move right here. These next 5 minutes are going to set a tone. Either Purdue's going to rally into the half or Arizona is. But strong. Yeah, someone's going to be ahead at the half, but I'm saying someone's going to do it with some power. This chart looks cool too. This is awesome. Look, oh, it's turning down right at the trend line, right at the downtrend, right. Look at that. Turn right down. Let's see. Breakout in green for the wedge, or head and shoulders for Purdue. Let's see. It's coming right now. The decision's coming. Oh, who gets the ball? Arizona. Oh, it's trying to break out towards Arizona. There it goes. Is that a breakout and a test, Arizona? Looking like a little bit of a double bottom here if it breaks out. The head and shoulders is losing. Looks like Arizona's trying to break out. Oh, turn down. Still indecisive right there. Let's keep everything as is and keep watching. Let's see, Arizona scores here. Then maybe we get to see we're getting a test and we zoom. Then we can get rid of this. $27.27. Up, bouncing off the line. Do I see anything weird? No negative divergence on the RSI. Anything on MACD's curling down, like it has to go lower, like Purdue. That would mean still the head and shoulders. It would still mean this. Let's see. Let the market decide. Oh, wow. Purdue had a nice takeaway and they lost the ball. What's DraftKings saying? 5.5. We got 8.5. I think we bought the lowest or the best, or however you want to say it. We got the highest amount of points, I think. Because it opened at 5.5 and it peaked at 8.5. All right, I'll be back in a few minutes. All right, let's see if we get a resolution on this. Oh, it's here?
Yeah.
All right, you all right?
Yeah.
Oh, the head and shoulders looking good here. Let's see. There's the shoulder. I just want to let's bring this down right here. This is the head and shoulders. What's it paying now? 1.5 for Purdue. We got 8.5 and it's 1.5. It's looking more like the head and shoulders now, isn't it? Yeah, look at us. Okay. Let's see, we're getting oversold. All right, getting oversold. Building a positive divergence there. Building a positive divergence here. Okay. Coming back now. Back down. Maybe we're going to hit a bullseye. Remember I told you we could still get one? Maybe. Oh, yeah, we're getting divergences. Oh, wow. Look at this. Head and shoulder breakdown. Breakdown. Go ahead and tell it, Look at it. I wish I put more money in. That was crazy. That was stupid. 8.5. All right. Well, I showed you guys the entry. Looks like a nice sprint now. Looking good. This head and shoulders is going to go down lower. So we got the positive divergence. Holding on. We got no divergence here, so I think we need a divergence, but we're very oversold. So what can you get for Arizona now? Plus something? Oh no, still -1. All right, -1. It's better than 5.5 that you guys got early when you bet before the game. I might want, oh, there's the red dot. So we're getting a dot. Arizona has value. Oversold, positive divergence. This could be a false breakdown here or an ABC. I think I'm going to take Arizona here. Cool. Momentum right now is still with Arizona, believe it or not. Oh no, Purdue has the momentum. Okay, this is just a pivot. But yeah, Purdue has the momentum, of course. All right, let's see here. We're definitely breaking down. Let me make this, this is red. This should be a red line. We'll even go like that. See that? Head and shoulder breakdown. Exactly like it does in the market and crypto. We picked the top here because of the negative divergence there. And it was overbought on the beginning of the game right there. This set a new range. And we're getting our bullseye there. So I like Arizona here. And we'll see, oh, and this is what it could be. Like the A, B, and maybe it goes a little lower, C like that. That could happen. If that happens, I'll add to my bet. I'm gonna make that green. Because then what would happen is it would go from here. Let's see. Say from here. So then it could bounce back to almost even. So Purdue has a big rally here, goes ahead pretty good, but then Arizona comes back and still wins this game. So let's see, we could have this execute and still go up, but it might go lower here. So let's see. Because this is a head and shoulder breakdown so far. It would need to jump up here for a fake out. It could be a fake out, right? Because we have the positive divergence, very oversold, we're getting that. So maybe this is like, ooh, no. Let's see, we're gonna find out right now. I'm gonna take this off. That's just my predicted path. We'll see if it plays out. Two minutes left. All right, in typical of head and shoulders, what happens? It goes here and then it tests this. So the blue, the game signals will come up and test and then fail and then come into here. And then I get to C here. And this looks like 1, 2, it looks like around here it would stop. Just before the half or after the half. And then we see Arizona. That. Oh, there we go. We're testing the neckline. This is amazing. It's amazing. It's amazing. It's the same thing as the stock market. And it's predicting a live event. There's the test. Let's see if it fails now. This is unbelievable. Are you seeing this? Is anyone seeing this? Hello? Hello? Anyone on the internet? There's 1 billion people. Oh, and it's failing. I mean, if you're a trader, this is like amazing. And look at my charts updating in real time. Uh-oh, little double bottom. Oh, maybe I'm seeing a little bit of a wedge here for Arizona. I just keep liking the draw. I like to draw what I see. So maybe like that. Oh, thank you. And then like this. Oh yeah. Ooh. Ooh. That's pretty. You see it? All right, let's see. Let's see. Oh, or we're gonna break down. And keep going here to this C down here. Or is this gonna be the C? Right there, that could be. And then big breakout happens like this. I mean, Arizona is supposed to be, I mean, they always let us down though. Being from Arizona, always let us down. This is gonna be different. If they break out of this wedge, the wedge is there. There's power being built for Arizona. Can they capitalize? Oh, we're getting multiple bullseyes now. Look at this. Look at this cluster here. There's value in Arizona. Here we go. Let's go, Arizona. You need to score at least 2 points here. The wedge says right after halftime they come out like wildfire. Like the chart, yeah, it's like really tight. I like it actually. All right, all right. So guys, into the halftime here, this wedge is starting to look pretty powerful, but I'm gonna put another C right here, like a little bit lower. So this was A, B, C, and then I still think Arizona it goes with them into the end of the game. I still think it goes like this, okay? Because this head and shoulders did kind of execute, but it, you know, it's kind of early. You break down, you test it. So this could fall here down into here. If it does, then I think this is going to be tremendous value because then you're going to have even more divergences right here like this. You're going to have something like this maybe. Oh, definitely. Yeah, there. I have this one here already drawn. Like I can see this already happening like this. And then even more dots, more or lower, goes closer even to the to this 2 standard deviations. That would be awesome. So all right, let's update it. Looks good. All right, we'll be back in a little bit. We'll see which way it's gonna go. Looks like it's gonna be a fun game though. I see a ball game here. So let's try it. And Sterling is mentioning it too. Long Detroit right here. 23 minutes ago. So right now the Padres are up. So we can mark this up, but we have a negative divergence. We have a crossover right here at an elevated level. And this sort of looks like 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 maybe. Maybe Padres score even one more time. If they score, to make me even more confident to take Detroit. And it might not be the first inning, so you got to size these bets appropriately. This is a crazy bet to say they're just going to score. So maybe you start $5, so you give yourself another inning, and maybe do $10 on the next inning. And if you win with the first amount, then you're happy with it and don't cry about it. Well, let's just put the numbers. I don't know. This is a little loose, but you got to be a little bit artistic with this. You have to be. You know, you got to be a little, not loose with the rules. I'm not saying that, but just like, you know, listen, we're trading sports here. All right? This is different. This is not stocks. It's the same, the way they move, but it's different. Your mindset has to be a little different. So maybe something like this then. That would be really good. So maybe even Padres score, or they look like, you know, closer to the end of the game, they're still winning 2-0, and then we get a pullback, but then the Padres still win the game. That's kind of what it looks like to me. But we'll come back to this. I think I'm going to make this bet though. I like it. Let's see if I can do it still. MLB. Detroit. Detroit. Oh yeah. We go here. Half inning props. Plus 210. I'll put $5. Pays $15.50. That's sweet. And if the batting order, I wish there was a way I can look ahead. They don't show it to you. I want to know who's going to be up next. So depending on the batting order. Oh, there is an arrow right there. Alright, we'll come back to this. Alright, let's go. What else do we have going on? Oh no, we're halftime. What's the Yankee game doing? Ooh. That's game over though, right? Yeah, it's final. Let's see, who's up? Padres are up. Oh, number one batter. I just keep. Oh, do you got it first? One out, man on first. All right. Not bad. Let's go back. Oh, this is the Arizona game, right? Oh yeah, looks like it's turning up towards LA. Do they have men on base? Yeah, they do. Right? Yeah. I can just look at our thing and tell. That's cool. just like what's kind of probably going on. Alright, it's ticking up a little higher for this A. And we'll get the B. Detroit. 1 out. Man on first. 2-0. I don't see anything on it. If it looks like LA's gonna score here. We'll see if when they score, looks like they're gonna score now. What changes on the chart? Yeah, a little poppage it looks like for LA. Alright, what's this going on over here? Oh wow, another walk? Man on first and second for Detroit. How amazing is this? 1 out though. 1 out, man on first and second. What do you think's gonna happen? I said the chart should go down.
I think they're gonna score.
Thank you, babe. Negative divergence on the RSI. MACD's rolling over. Yeah, we don't need that on this chart. Spread deviation doesn't do any shit in baseball. Keep the drawings. There we go. There we go. Oh, I think I would like to change this. This is gonna screw everything up, but. Put RSI above. I know. There we go. Everything got screwed up. What the MAC thing? Okay. So first this goes here. And then this I'll take off. This. Wow, they got a strike out there. That's good. Oh, I'll move the labels again. Sorry, guys. There we go. Alright. This is it. I should have set that up first. 4. A. B. C. Alright, we're back in action. Cool. Alright, what's going on? Now, first and second. Oh, full count, 1 out. Come on, what's gonna happen here? Full count. I'm watching the D-backs game, getting ready for the game. Watching Detroit versus the Padres. What the hell? Like, what the heck?
Living your best life.
3 balls, 2 strikes. Come on, let's go. Baseball. You sped it up, and it's still too slow. Faster. What happened? Oh, cool. They got out of the inning. Good for them. Excellent. That's good.
Are the Diamondbacks good this year?
No, they only played 2 or 3 games or something. So I don't know.
Were they good last year?
No. So it was like, I don't know. Oh, cool. Something happened. He walked. Bases loaded for the Detroit bet. Guys, this line's gonna turn down. Woo woo. I'm doing good with my baseball. Actually, it's like my best thing I'm doing. Actually, right? I showed you guys earlier in the on the stream the 2 wins from opening day, and then we just got one before this on what? Houston. Oh, look at Houston went ahead huge. Oh, look at that chart we drew. What a bottom that was. Wow. Look at that bottom we called. Now, I thought it was going to go here and back down. I wasn't even watching this. 1, 2, 3, 4. That is awesome. That's a video. Cool. Oh, we got a rising wedge here, meaning it's going to go towards the bulls. Ooh, bulls look attractive. Let's see. Yeah, got a big negative divergence there. Yeah. Anything else? Yep. Taking the bulls right here. Maybe we can put that on. Plus 3.5. The bulls. Oh, do I have it? Chicago Bulls. Oh, there we got a little breakdown from the wedge already. Just caught up, and it's back testing. Let's see if we got it. So we took the bulls. What did I take? 4.5. What did I get? 3.5. Shit, could have got 4.5. Alright, that's fine. So let me write that down. Alright, well, I like this wedge scenario. Maybe it goes up one more time. And we're getting this value in the bulls right now. You see this? This is value in the bulls on negative divergences and a rising wedge. We'll come back to this. And then Detroit, we're at the A. What do we got over here? 2 outs. Did they score? Ah, they didn't score? What happened? What would have happened? Ah, they didn't score. Okay. Batters, San Diego. 2 outs. I'm going to take that again. I want to take Detroit again. Alright, so I'm still waiting. I think Detroit here is going to come down. And we showed you Houston. And looking at Detroit. Oh, and then the Bulls. Okay. Arizona. Not playing yet. Oh. Yeah, let's see if LA's going to score. Yeah, LA's going to score soon, I think. That's what it looks like. Let's see here. Got a positive divergence. Even the MACD kind of looks like it could, you know, went up here, kissed, and it goes. Looks like it could do that. And maybe kind of rounding out a little bit. Let me go to that Arizona game. I want to see this Detroit actually. Alright, Detroit's up again. Number 1 batter. Come on, dude. Hit a home run. Let's go back to Detroit. Come on. Strike 1 already. That's better. One out already. Fly out, Detroit. What else do we got here? Nothing there. Arizona's up. Alright. Oh, LA. I wanted to just look at that game. Arizona, LA. That might be interesting. LA. Score. 1 out, Detroit. Come on, the number 2 batter. Come on, 2 strikes. Damn, what kind of pitcher they got in? Padres. Holy shit. Guys can't do anything. And they go, that's 2 outs. Oh, they whiffed him. Ground out. This is the number 3 guy. 4, 5, 6. I'll do it one more time. We have a negative divergence here on the MACD too. Alright, I'm going to take a little break for a second. I'll come back when Arizona comes on. So we're looking here. Detroit, the score. Oh, the Bulls. Oh, breakdown in the wedge. Beautiful. Plus 3.5. Up on the bet now. That was awesome. Look at that. Look at this chart. You only seen it on the live there. I put it in the chat. Look at that. That's beautiful. Look at that. Everybody out there. Negative divergences. We had our bullseyes there. Beautiful. Rising wedge and it's breaking down. Exactly what it should do. Look at exactly. Alright, we'll come back in a little bit. Need a breather. Check this out. Just got this game because I've been fooling around with so many other games. The Detroit, I still think they score. Oh, look at this call. Look at this on Bulls. Anyone follow that? I'll update this in the chat. I wish I had someone pushing this stuff on social media for me. All right, here we go. So we said we're gonna get resolution. Look at that breakout from the wedge. Negated the head and shoulders. So now I gotta clean this all up. So you see that falling wedge? Isn't that beautiful? It broke out towards Arizona. So they came back, right? There was value in the spread. We had the oversold. Now I'm gonna clean this all up though. I'm gonna get rid of almost everything. Because we had the head and shoulders. Let me save it. I can save this. I would like to save this. Live 1. There you go. That's what I should do. Excellent. Now I can wipe it out. And I want to get rid of these max min. There we go. Got a nice clean chart. So A, B, C, B. Let's look at the Fibonacci where we're stuck, because I might want to take Purdue right here. So we stopped at the 62%. I don't know. Yeah, I want to take Purdue. More Purdue. 4.5. Let me just look real quick. I'm gonna watch this for a little longer. Let's see. Let's just see what I see. I see this. Something like that. See. There we go. Alright. So break out towards Arizona. What did I take? I had Arizona minus 1.5 down here. I think it was minus 1.5. We'll put that in blue. We did that. Where did we do it? Yeah, we did it down here. It was right down here. And then I took Purdue plus 8.5. Okay. Let's see. Trying to break out towards Arizona. Really nice inverse head and shoulders there. Alright, I'll be back in a little bit. Well, it's breaking out, trying to pop its head out. Arizona's running with it. We'll see you in a little bit. I just wanted to come on. Ah, look at that breakout. I knew it. I was eating dinner. Beautiful head and shoulders. Look at that. Looks gorgeous. Alright, so now, let me just see what I see there. I see a negative divergence here, so it's going to pull back towards Purdue. Right here. Let's see. See that? Yeah. So it's going to turn down towards Purdue, but not meaning anything huge. Just it's they're going to come back a little bit down into here to test, right? And then the next move will be that, something like that. And let's run the Fibonacci's from here. We broke all the way up, so we can take this one off. That was for retracement. And now let's draw new ones on this pullback right here. And maybe it goes even as high as right here. It might. Yeah. This is a little hard to do. Let's see. From here. Maybe it goes up a little bit more and then comes back. Alright, I'll be back to you guys in a second, but seeing a little Purdue is not going to give up easy. That's what it looks like. Be back in a minute. Alright, I'm back. I just want to get caught up here. Alright, so we extended all the way up. It's looking great. No pullback, just this arrow. Let's get this off. I still think a pullback's definitely coming for Purdue. You could take Purdue here. Probably be a good value. Got the negative divergence. Let's run the fib. Pull back all the way. It could pull back. Maybe something like this. I don't know how much, but there's a little pullback in here. Alright, let's see how it develops from here. I'll come back in a little bit. I want to watch a little bit of the game. We'll just leave the chart live. This way we can watch it. Oh, the LA score? Alright. Let's go back. I want to just see something here. I think I want to take the Dodgers. The score. Ah, negative 110. Damn it. Missed it. 185. Why? What happened? An allowance? Good. Getting the pullback starting yet? Starting a little bit. All right, let's get a little update. Arizona's really running with it here. How much time is left? 6 minutes? It could still be a little spurt by Purdue, so let's see. Let's not count them out just yet. I mean, not to win the game. No, that's over. And this arrow, you know, won the day. We had this here, right? We should make that green. I mean, there we go. That was the breakout. So that's the pullback. I guess this could go higher though. 8.5, and what is it now? 66, 713. Not looking good. 1.5 is so. So this is the. Remember, I said I went real small in the Purdue early because I didn't want to. It was just too early. I wanted to see more game, but it was good value, and that worked out. I guess I should have traded it here, down here, but let's see. The game's not over yet. 8.5. It was a good value right here, but I did $5 here, but I did $10 here, and this bet's making me more money, where I cover the loss and make money. So I did, yeah. So I'm gonna just jot that down. I did 5 here, and then I did 10 here, right there. Okay. Let's see. Still stretching. Very overbought though. And there's still what, 6 minutes? That's they could go on a little run. They could cut the lead. It's 11 points now. So let's see how this 8.5 works. The 1.5 looks really good here. We did it right there. I'm gonna save this chart now. Live 2. Sweet. This is gonna be a fun video I'm gonna do with these two. And it's Elite 8. Oh, LA scored. Yeah, I got it.
You did?
Yeah.
That's fun.
Yeah, it is fun. $10 paid $28.50.
Oh, that is fun.
All right. That's pretty sweet. Told you guys LA was gonna score. I thought the scoop was happening there. It was, I guess, here. But I wasn't gonna do it again if they lost. And then look at how the MACD here. Look at it. It came up, kissed it. See how it just kind of worked its way higher. So it was building this massive positive divergence, just like power. You know, this is like energy. That's all energy. Like, I want to go up, and just couldn't do it. And then here we had the positive divergence on the RSI. Look how long it went. It went the whole, all of this, da 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 da. So more power. And you see the price line, our signal line, was going down. See that? I'll take this off. Like that. And there's it, the score, 2-1. There it is. That was nice. All right, now let's see. We got Arizona. That's maxed out. I'm gonna just, well, I won't cash in. I'm gonna win the whole thing. And Purdue. Let's go back. Is there any chance for these guys? What's the score? 13 points. 4.5 to go. 13. 5 points. I think so. There's a double negative divergence. Like that. All right. Well, that was fun. LA. Let's see if we see anything else. Seattle. Detroit was a buzzkill. I think they have to be a good team to be able to go with baseball. You know they're good hitters. You get in the sweet part of the order. The pattern looks good. That's Time to pull the trigger. Oh, look at this final Bulls chart. We won this one too. Oh, did I win this bet? I had plus 3.5. Yes. Oh, wow. See, I bought right. I sat tight. So the Bulls 3.5. So I got the breakdown, but man, look at that comeback. Was there a divergences down here? I bet you there was. Yeah, there was. Oversold. All right, still won this bet though. 3.5. Unless it's still playing, it's over, right? Bulls. Let's double check.
It's on Prime.
What?
It'll be on Prime.
Prime. Oh yeah, the Bulls is over and I won. All right, that was a good one. And I got LA. Oh, had a good Saturday.
Oh, how's my son doing?
Oh, the Suns are playing. Oh wow. But
You're not
that team stinks, don't they? What is that? The Jazz or something? Yeah.
Oh,
They're,
wow.
they're lame, dude. The spread is 16.5.
Wow.
I think LA's gonna score again. Yeah, actually. I'm going back to that. I might do it one more time. Seventh inning. No, I'm gonna not do it. I think they might. I'll just do like $5. I won like 20 something on that. Mm. All right, wrapping this up soon. I'm gonna watch a movie with my girlfriend. Detroit cannot score. This is what, 13 points now? Looking good. Arizona minus 1.5 down here was a good bet. And why did we do that? And look at the positive divergence. I gotta save this. Yeah, we had a beautiful Positive divergence. I bet you at the time, or this was oversold right here. That was the entry. And even here. And there was value for Arizona all through that cluster.
Oh, look at that.
Was it awesome?
That was so fun. He lost the ball and he grabbed it. What just happened? Why did they do this?
How about my rocket ship emoji?
Oh, yeah, good.
7, 8, 9. So I'm not going to take the Dodgers on this one. But if they do the next time, let's see if they score. If they don't score, I'm definitely taking Dodgers next. Let's see. All right, this chart is cooked and done. And how many minutes left? 2 minutes? Yeah. What's the lead? Oh my God, what? 15 points? Yeah. Maybe they get it down to 10. What are they saying here on DraftKings? Let's look. They're saying 14 and a half. I think 10. I think you can make money into the end.
This guy has been like pounding the whole game.
He's been what?
Pounding. Like making mean faces.
Oh. It's his game face. All right, looking good. They're going to do it. That's awesome. Good for Arizona. I looked it up, guys. This is 25 years. 2001 was the last time that Arizona made it to the Final Four. That year they made it to the finals and they lost to Duke. So it's been a really long time. And they've had a lot of promising years and they just could never get it all going together. You know, they're all hitting in the same season, but this might be their season. So good for them. That's huge for those kids. 25 years, they do it again. That's awesome. Phoenix is destroying the Utah Jazz by 30 points. Seriously.
That's insane.
28.
That's crazy.
Yeah.
That's like not even fun to watch.
No. How many? Oh,
Oh my gosh, did you just see that last basket he just made?
no, is it sick?
Wow.
Let me see. Burries, yeah.
And he just made it sick.
Beautiful. Good job, Arizona. That's awesome. Good stuff. All right, guys, that's it for me today. I'll be on tomorrow. I'm thinking LA. If they don't score here, they could score here, but they don't score here. Next inning, taking LA. All right, catch you tomorrow. Enjoy your night.